In the previous video, we had installed XAMPP software. Now, in this video, we will install and set up Damn Vulnerable Web Application, or in short DVWA. DVWA is a vulnerable web application which is used for learning purpose. You can go to their official site, which is dvwa.co.uk, and you can download the zip file from there. Before downloading this zip file, we have to change the permission of htdocs folder, which I told you about in the previous video. If you are using Linux, then we have to change the permissions of htdocs folder. So for that, we have to go to our opt folder, and inside that lamp directory, and on the lamp directory, right click and open in terminal, or just open in terminal and change the directory by using cd command. Now right here chmod 777 and then htdocs. This will change the permission of htdocs, and now we can copy any file into this folder. Okay, we have to take the permission of super user also. So type sudo and then enter the password. This is for Linux user. If you are Windows user, then there is no need of changing permission. You can copy any file into your htdocs directory. Now permission is changed. Go back to your browser and then click on download section of DVWA. Now I'm using Archive Manager to extract the folder into the htdocs folder. If you are using Windows, you can use WinRAR, or you can just right click on the folder and extract it. Now go to your computer, then opt lamp and inside htdocs. Extract. Okay, now the files are successfully extracted. It's time to start our XAMPP. As I told you in previous video how to start XAMPP. If you are using Windows, then you can double click on the icon of the XAMPP. And if you are using Ubuntu, then go to your LAMP folder and right click, open in terminal and run XAMPP by using this command. Now enter the password and XAMPP will start. On this we have to start two services. First is Apache Web Server and the second is MySQL database. Now let's check whether localhost works or not. Okay, it is working fine. Go back to your lamp, go back to your htdocs folder, and then inside dvwa-master. Go inside config and right click on config.inc.php.dist file. Right click it and open it with editor. Now change this dv password. Here this variable, we have to change this from password to none. We just simply cancel this out and then we save it by clicking Ctrl S and rename this file also, which is config.include.php. Okay, now go to your browser and type 127.0.1 and then dvwa master and then setup.php. You'll see this page here. Go down and click on create reset database. This will create the database. Now it will redirect to this page, dvwa-master login.php. Now you can log in by using default password and username, which our username is admin and the password is password, which is password. As you can see, this is our DVWA, which is a vulnerable web application. On this we are going to learn many web application security bugs. So you can see on the left side there are many bugs mentioned, and we are going to learn most of this in this course.